Find the sum to n terms of the series 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 63 and so on. This series is not an AP or GP, but if we find the difference of 15 and 3, that gives you 12. If you find the difference of 35 and 15, that gives you 20. Difference of 63 and 35 gives you 28. And now if you look at this new sequence of differences that we got, it is an AP because the common difference is the same. Whenever you have such a series in which the differences of successive terms form an AP, the nth term of such a sequence is given as an squared plus bn plus c. In order to find the sum of this series, what we can do is we know the first term, second term, and the third term. If we replace n with 1, we get t1 is equal to a times 1 square, so a, plus b times 1, which is b, plus c, but it is given as 3, so this is equal to 3. That's equation 1. And if you replace n with 2, we get 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to the second term, which is 15. Third term, 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 35. Now from here we can find the values of a, b and c. After we find the values of a, b and c, we will get the value of tn, the nth term. And after we know what is tn, we can take summation of tn to find the sum of this series. So now let's find the values of a, b and c. In order to find a, b and c, we can subtract equation 1 from equation 2 and equation 2 from equation 3. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we get 3a plus b is equal to 12. And subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, we get 5a plus b is equal to 20. We can call these two new equations as equation 4 and 5. So if I subtract equation 4 from equation 5, we will get 2a is equal to 8 or a is equal to 4. Now using this value of a in any of these equations, we will get the value of b. So if I use a equals 4 in equation 4 or equation 5, we will get the value of b as 0. So we got the value of b as 0, we got the value of a. Now we can find the value of c. A plus b plus c was equal to 3. A is 4, b is 0. So c is equal to 3 minus 4 or negative 1. So now we know the value of a, b and c. And tn was equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So that is 4n squared plus b and b is 0. So that this part is 0 plus c, which is negative 1. So we found the nth term. And in order to find the sum, we can take summation of nth term. So summation of nth term, summation of 4n square minus 1. That is 4 times summation of n square minus summation of 1, which is n. So 4 times summation n square is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6 minus n, which can be simplified further, which will give us n over 3 times 4n squared plus 6n minus 1.